Lovelies, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, as you can see from the title, we're unboxing another subscription box, and this is from Glossybox. Want to see what's inside in Glossybox April 2021? Just keep on watching. If you're new to my channel, lovelies, welcome. My name is JAYCA. I'll do beauty videos like unboxing subscription boxes, beauty haul, lineup, spoiler of subscription boxes, and more. So if you like this kind of video, make sure to subscribe. And if you're already subscribed, lovelies, thank you so much for tuning in again, and thank you so much for your continuing support. So today we're unboxing Glossybox. So here is the box. It just came today. I have 3 boxes to unbox with you, lovelies, today. So if you see me the same clothes, because I'm doing it the same day. I already unboxed one subscription box before, and I tried on all the products, so you can see me with the makeup on. So yeah, let's see what's inside here. I already did the lineup of this subscription box, so if you want to check it out, I will pop in on the top here. And if you're new to Glossybox, it's a monthly beauty subscription box. It costs £10 a month plus the shipping fee, which is £3.25, and every month you will receive 5 beauty products from skincare to makeup. But if you want to subscribe to this subscription box, I have a referral code, which is my name, JAYCA, JAYCA, and you will receive this box for only £11, which is not bad. So here we go. This is the box. So this is the box that it came, and inside we have the pink box, their usual pink box. Then let's see what's inside. I really love this lipstick. And let's see inside this box. Ooh, we have the ribbon as always. Then this month theme, we have the woke up in spring, make bold decisions. Here we go. And we have also the sneak peek for next month, which is the if you don't want to see the sneak peek, just skip this part. And we have the if we have anything to do with it, May is going to be bright and sunny. Yes, and it's my birthday month also, so we're taking this warm feeling and encapsulating it in our May Let the Sun Shine Glossybox, and it all starts with instantly brighter eyes thanks to Royal Dragon Blood Eye Mask. So here we go for next month, and I love this product. I tried this one many times. I think I did already put this one on my empties, and as I said, yeah, it's very hydrating mask. I know it's quite pricey too, so yes, can't wait to use this one. And then we have the description of all the products inside with the price, and it says, hey glossies, at Glossy HQ we're absolutely loving spring. I love spring. It's my like a birth season too. It almost feels like the promise of good things to come. So we're taking the beautiful blue skies and the bright blooming flowers of April and packaging up the wonderfully warm feeling they give us into this month. Woken up in spring Glossybox. Delve into this box for 5 products that will be sure to brighten your day. Love, Team Glossy. So yes, let's start. We have the pink tissue paper with the sticker. I'm so excited. Ooh, so the first one we have on the top, it's from -417, the Serenity Legend Hydrating Dead Sea Bath Salt. I really need a bath salt at the moment for my feet, not for my bath, but for my feet. I'm gonna try this one, and this is vegan. We received a product from this brand before, and I really love it. I think it's the exfoliator one or the cleansing one. I don't remember, but I used that one and I really enjoyed using it, and it smells really nice. This one, it says in -417. I hope I pronounce it properly, the brand. If not, I'm really sorry. We race for improvement and put all heart in everything we do. We will awaken your senses through a full natural experience like you never had before. See incredible results, touch unique texture, smell amazing fragrances, listen to yourself and to the planet's sources. Beauty you can sense. So this is the first product, and it has 100 grams, which is worth £2.17. The full size is 500 grams, which is retail for £10.24. And here it says, enriched with unique healing minerals, this hydrating Dead Sea bath salt are all you need for a perfectly pampering bath, providing the ultimate spa experience after just one use. Your skin will be left feeling refreshed, soft, and smooth. This salt also helps enhance your skin ability to retain moisture and assist in the renewal of skin cells, which minimize the inevitable sign of aging. So yes, really a good size too. And then the next one we have here, oh, this is from Feel Free Antioxidant Eye Contour Cream. And this one has 20 ml. I never heard from this brand. This one, Lovelies, it's a full size and it's retail for £4.77, and it says hydrating the under eyes while also eliminating small lines around the eyes. This antioxidant eye contour cream is a dream, a combination of hard-working skincare ingredients including hyaluronic acid, thumbs up, aloe vera, which is good with just to smooth and hydrating too, lemon, mint, and more. Also help balance skin tone and brighten your delicate under area. As I said before, Lovelies, I really enjoyed receiving eye product in my subscription boxes because I use them a lot. I use every morning and every evening, and as you know, eye cream, they are quite expensive, so I really love trying new eye cream to find my just perfect eye cream. So yes, I never heard from this brand before, so yes, can't wait to try it. And then the next one we have, and this is from, I don't know how to pronounce this one, DWTN Paris. I hope I pronounced it properly. I'm really sorry if not. And this one, it's a liquid blusher in the shade, there's no shade, but it says botanical extract of Marubium vulgar for your natural skin tone. Take a small amount and tap gently, and let's see the shade. And this one, it's 15 ml. Oh, I popped too much, sorry. So this is the shade. Oh, try to apply it. Here is the shade. Let me apply it. Here we go, the shade, and I just need to apply it. This is perfect for every day. It's like a peachy shade. Here we go. And Lovelies, one tip: if you want the blush it lasts throughout the day, apply always a cream or a liquid blush under your powder blush. It will last you throughout the day. I always do like that. And if you really have dry skin and you don't want to put too much powder on your face, because if you have a dry skin and you put too much on your face, it emphasizes your dry patches. I always recommend to use a blush, liquid blush. So here we go, the shade. It's a really lovely shade. Perfect for every day. It's really not bright shade, but yeah, I will definitely use this shade here. This one, it's retail for £19.58, and this is a full size, and it says formulated with 99% natural and totally vegan ingredients. The DWT and Paris blush is the ideal product to enhance your cheeks. Perfect for bringing a glowy touch to casual makeup or a sophisticated touch to your evening look. Simply take a small amount of the blush and pat along your cheekbones with your fingertips. So yes, and this is the shade. Lovely shade, perfect for every day. And then the next one we have here, it's a Skin & Co. Truffle Therapy Morning Ultra Gentle Botanical Face Cleansing Gel Morning Dew. So I know this is a deluxe sample size because I saw already the full size of this product, but I heard really good reviews about this product, and I never heard from this brand before. It's in deluxe mini sample size, and it's 20 ml, and it's worth £1.98. The full size, which is 200 ml, it's worth £18.29, and it says cleanse, uplift, and brighten your complexion. Packed with superhero ingredients, this gentle cleanser will soon be an essential step in your skincare routine. Black Winter Truffle Extract fortifies the skin with powerful antioxidant enzymes, while traditional Umbrian botanicals refresh skin and dissolve impurities. Papaya extract also brightens and minimizes the appearance of blemishes while improving the appearance, texture, and tone of skin. So yes, here we go. This is a lovely. I will try all this product and you will see it on my empties. I forgot to edit my video in my last month empties. I'm really sorry. I will upload that one as soon as I can, and as I said, all this product I will try it and you will see my full review on my empties, because I really want to try the products for like 3 weeks to 4 weeks before I'll do my full review. So yeah, the last product we have is from Sophia and Mabel eyeshadow quad. Gorgeous. The Aphrodite palette. Here we go. It's a cruelty-free brand too. And here is all the shade. Lovely shade. I'm gonna try this one. And let's open it. It's really a gorgeous packaging. I love pink. As you can see, I'm wearing pink. I love it. I might try this one here. Let's watch it first. Ooh. Doesn't have a matte shade. It's all shimmery. Even the like a brownie dark brown shade one, it has a glitter inside. It's not really a matte, so I hope you can see it. Here is all the shade. I hope you really can see it. It's all pink, so here we go. I really hope you can see it, lovelies. But let me try to apply this one on my eyelid. I'm gonna apply this one here on my eyelid, and let's see if it's pigmented on the eyelid. Remind that I popped an eyeshadow, liquid eyeshadow under. It's quite pigmented. Well, I have a blue eyeliner and a pink eyeshadow. And then the other side too. I love this shade. I like the shade. It's a lovely shade. I hope you can see it, lovely. It's really a lovely shade. Doesn't give justice on the video, but here in the mirror, it's really a lovely shade. Yes, definitely very pigmented on the eyelid, and I highly recommend to use an eye primer or under an eyeshadow, liquid eyeshadow, to bring out, to pop up the color, because without, I think it doesn't, it's not really that pigmented. But if you put an eye primer, definitely will pop the color. So yes, this is all the shade, and this one is in the full size, and it's retail for £25. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. It's quite expensive as like an eyeshadow. And also, lovely is the packaging. It's really small one, perfect for to go everywhere. And here it says, who doesn't love a gorgeous eyeshadow palette? This beautiful palette is perfect for everyday wear, with 4 universally flattering shades inside, featuring a mix of both matte and satin shimmer tones. I think there's no matte, or maybe I can see, I think these two are quite matte, but I can still see some glitter inside. Oh yes, I'm really sorry, lovelies. I think this is the matte one, but these are shimmer. This is metallic one, this is shimmer one, but this one, it has glitter inside. So I think this is the matte one. It says, featuring a mix of both matte and satin shimmer tones, this palette will enhance your eye makeup look and give a natural, effortless finish. So yes, here we go. So that's all for this month, as you can see. So let's do a recap, lovelies. We have the eyeshadow palette from Sophia and Mabel. Very compact eyeshadow, perfect to bring with you everywhere if you go everywhere. Not for now, but it's perfect to bring with you everywhere. And then we have also the -417, the hydrating Dead Sea Salt. Dead Sea bath salt. I really love the word hydrating one. As you know, I have really dry skin, so this is perfect one. And then we have the Feel Free Antioxidant Eye Contour full size, which I don't mind receiving, as I said, eye cream in my subscription boxes because I use them a lot, really a lot. So I'm happy to receive this one. And then we have the Skin & Co. Roma Truffle Therapy Ultra Gentle Botanica Face Cleansing Gel Morning Dew. I never heard from this brand. I really heard good reviews about this brand, so I can't wait to try this one. And then the last one, we have the DWTN Paris, which is I have on my chinks. I really love it. Perfect for everyday, perfect shade for everyday. I will definitely use. And as I said, I used a lot cream eyeshadow, cream blush or liquid blush, because I have dry skin and I usually pop it under my powder blush to make it last throughout the day. So yes, very thumbs up. And that's all. What do I think about this box? I think, lovelies, for 10 pounds a month, for 10 pounds, this is really not bad box. I never heard from this brand before, which is nice. That's the thing I like from Glossybox, lovelies, that they release products, that brands that I never heard before. I really like trying new products, so this for me are really a thumbs up. I will definitely use every single product. And yes, that's all what I think. And you lovelies, what do you think of this month? Are you waiting for this box? Are you thinking to subscribe to this box? If you want to subscribe, as I said, if you use my code JAYCA, you will have your box for only 11 pounds. And also the link and all the info, as always, will be in the description box below. So that's all for me, lovelies. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, make sure to smash the like button. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to see more unboxing subscription boxes, try on, and also don't forget to click the notification bell so you know when I upload the video. See you in my next video, lovelies. Bye. Mwah.